I would describe my approach to patient care as holistic. I do like to look at the mind, body, and spirit of somebody. I think you need all three pieces to adequately take care of somebody. If things aren't right emotionally, that can directly impact your health. So I try to make sure that I'm looking at all things. I think one of the most important things that I would want patients to know about me is that I'm a real person too. I want to be relatable. I want you to feel comfortable when you're in the room with me. I don't want you to see a white coat and be intimidated in any way. I'm here to help you, and I want to get to know you. Knowing you better helps me take better care of you. I went into medicine over 20 years ago because I wanted to help people. And I find it so rewarding, and I love what I do every single day. What I find most rewarding about my job is when I am able to help somebody and they come back in and I can see the results and they can see the results. Those are my happiest moments, is when I've done something and when they come back, they're just thrilled to see that they're feeling better.